Good morning, everybody. Welcome to back to the vlog. If you don't already know, yes, I'm back at the gas station with the Jeep. This guy eats gas, but it's okay. We're picking up new stuff today. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go get it right now. I just stopped by U-Haul this morning. Everything's hitched. We're ready to go. You know, I figure I'll tell you later. Yes, it's all done. Ouch. Every time. So I just had to make a quick stop home. Gotta pick up my dad. He's gonna bring the ratchets and the hose, alright? So let's go get him. Who's a good doggy? Who's a good doggy? Good doggy. Who's a good doggy? Hello, Dad. Are you gonna bring the ratchets and the hose? Are you bringing the ratchets and the hose? The ratchets and the hose? Shh. Which wants to? So we can, because I brought the whip, so you're gonna bring the ratchets and the hose. The ratchet straps.
Straps. Are we going now?
Couple minutes. Okay, so we just got to the destination. Let me show you guys what I'm trying to get today. Check it out. Oh yeah. I am picking up a Husky toolbox. Figure you can't make. Oh really?
Yeah.
So the guy, you don't mind if I record, right? So the guy I'm picking my toolbox up from, he actually just got this for his wife.
It's got all the new stuff on it.
New engine.
Damn.
It's got a blower on it.
Oh crap.
This guy's got like almost $100,000 in this car.
And you picked it up for your wife?
Yeah, I only paid like $48,000 for it.
Wow.
Well, it's a lot. It's
Yeah.
like careful you don't
Sorry.
break yourself. I don't want to hurt you.
I don't want to hurt anything in here. It's
No,
all
no,
vintage.
that's fine. You're good. You're good.
Check out his garage.
Oh man, this is so nice. The color is beautiful.
Really? You like the color? That was the only thing I didn't like about it is the color. Yeah, the
the
paint's
color's-
not that great on it.
It's unique.
Yeah, the paint's not that great on it. The guy didn't do a very good job on the paint.
Oh.
But it drives really nice. I mean, it's just, I'm probably gonna have to have it repainted. I don't like the interior. I don't like the interior. But it drives super nice. It's
Yeah, and
fast.
it's well taken care of.
Yeah, it's fast. It's fast.
LS is for
Wow.
the Corvette engine, right?
Yeah.
Has she driven it around?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm actually heading down to.
What's going on, guys? So we finally made it back. We actually unloaded it already and I didn't record it because we needed 2 people to do it. It's a pretty big toolbox. I'm pretty excited. It's actually my first toolbox. It's everything I've been looking for. Craigslist, shout out to Craigslist because they always have something and I always get lucky. I think I got like, honestly, 90% of my shit comes from Craigslist. So that was crazy. And also it was my second time ever hauling something. And I know driving trailers or hitches or whatever, it's always a puzzle. It's a mission. But I did it. I got it. I surprisingly got it on the driveway. I didn't even realize like I would ever use a tow hitch or any of that, even though I know I should, because when you have a race car or a project car, you're always towing something. So, shout out to me, and shout out to all you guys who do it on a daily basis. That shit is hard. If you have any tips or tricks for me the next time I haul something, put them in the comments below, because I'm definitely gonna read it. Because it took me like 20 minutes just to get it in our driveway. Shout out to U-Haul because they rented this thing out to me for like 25 bucks. So in all, if I were to tell you, I got my toolbox delivered here by myself. If I include gas and everything, it was less than 400, and that toolbox cost like $600. We did good today. I completely forgot. How rude of me. Let me show you around the garage. Let me show you what I'm working with. And let me show you guys my setup. Check it out.